Good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I am going to discuss a worksheet on simple pendulum. So here is a simple pendulum given to us. It oscillates between A and B and angular amplitude is alpha. Then the first question is we need to find the time period. So time period here is 2 pi root under L by G. Then is the angular frequency. So angular frequency is 2 pi by T. Time is 2 pi by omega, so omega is 2 pi by T. So using this we get root G by L. Then is frequencies of frequencies omega by 2 pi. Omega here is root G by L divided by 2 pi, so that will give us the frequency. Then is the time taken from B to O. So as you can see that B is the extreme position and 0 is the mean position, and we know that time taken to move from extreme to mean is T by 4. So time here will be T by 4, that is 1 by 4 of 2 pi root L by G, that is pi by 2 root of L by G. Then is time taken from B to A. So it is the time taken to move from right extreme to the left extreme, and we know that phase changes by 180 degrees, so the time will be T by 2 over here. So it will be T by 2 or half of 2 pi root L by G, which will give us pi root L by G. Then is time taken from A to O. So from A to O is moving from left extreme to the mean, so that will again be T by 4, which will be pi by 2 root L by G. Then time taken from E to D. So from E to D, it's like moving from minus A by 2 to plus A by 2. So here the phase angle will change by 60 degree. So time period here will be T by 6, so that will be pi by 3 root L by G. Then is time taken from O to D. So from O to D again phase changes by 30 degree. So time here will be T by 12, so that will be pi by 6 root L by G. Then is time taken from E to O, same time will be taken. Next we have a case of vertically accelerating lift. So a lift is accelerating upward with acceleration G by 2, and this simple pendulum is put in it. We need to find the time period. So for this we'll use the expression of G effective. So time will be 2 pi root under L divided by G plus G by 2, as with respect to the lift the ball will have net acceleration of 3G by 2, so that will give us the value of time period. Then in another case, if it is moving downward with acceleration G by 3, so time will be 2 pi root L by G minus G by 3, that will give us 2G by 3, and after solution we get this. Then is another question, if the lift is falling freely. So in case of free fall, G effective will be 0 and time period will tends to infinity. Next is in case of artificial satellite, also T tends to infinity, as G effective is 0 also. Now is a question that a container is placed on an inclined plane which is smooth itself, so it will move with an acceleration G sin theta like this. So net acceleration of the bob will be G cos theta, so replace G by G cos theta. Next question is, if this container is moving with uniform velocity, that means acceleration will be 0. So here again time period will be 2 pi root L by G. Then we have another case in which container is moving to the right with acceleration A. So here we'll use the concept of G effective will be root L by G square plus A square. Then we have a case of lift in which a charge Q is placed and electric field is present in space. In first case, electric field is vertically upward. So because it is vertically upward, so force will be QE upward, mg downward, and the downward net force will be mg minus QE. So G effective here will be G minus QE by m. So from here we can calculate the time period. In the next case, if electric field is downward, then the force due to this electric field will also be downward. So we will have a plus sign over here. Then is another case in which charge is negative, electric field is upward, so force on the charge will be downward, so that will increase effective G, and we have the expression 2 pi root L upon G plus it should be mod of QE by M. Here also it should be mod of minus Q. Then in case of horizontal, you see horizontal container, we have T as 2 pi root L upon g square plus q square L square by m square. And here also, if acceleration is positive or negative, it will just the force will be the same in magnitude. So this will be the expression of this time period. In case of any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.